scattered showers across the area and reduced visibility due to fog, kind of like what we're seeing right here from our Anakista camera. Definitely a damp walkway here, and it is a little hard to see in spots as fog is down to about 3 miles in the Gatlinburg area, 2 miles here in Knoxville, and 1 in Athens. So pretty sporadic, but that could be an issue when you head out the door tomorrow morning. But I think the steadier rain that we've had this evening, that's going to be moving out. Still some moderate to heavy rain along I-40 in Cott County, some steadier rainfall from Sevierville to Gatlinburg along 441. That's pushing east, and some rain there in the eastern half of Greene County as well. Let's get kind of a wider perspective of this for you. You can see that's the batch that's been making its way through this evening. A little bit more to the west, but this steadier, heavier rainfall's tracking southward into northern Mississippi, northern Alabama. So I'm not overly concerned with that. So our rain chances will really taper off here in the short term from where we are right now. We'll take it into tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. So tonight, along and south of I-40, a slightly better chance of these random rain showers, and could be damp. In fact, it will be damp for that morning commute just from the rain that we've had, but a few random showers certainly can't be ruled out for the first part of the morning. So about 53 at 6 a.m. to 54 by 8 a.m. These rain opportunities will kind of taper off again through that morning commute. And by the afternoon, I really think we'll see limited rain chances, maybe 1 or 2 random showers, but bigger story is just going to be the mild temperatures. We were upper 50s today. Look for low 60s tomorrow. 62 Knoxville, Maryville, 63 for Tellico Plains, Gatlinburg, and then even warmer still by Wednesday, mid to even upper 60s in some spots. This will be ahead of a pretty potent cold front that will eventually start to knock temperatures down for the second half of the week. We start out Wednesday on a dry note, mostly cloudy, and then this fast-moving system comes through, a line of showers, even some rumbles of thunder with this. I'm not expecting severe storms, but I think we can easily see some 30 to maybe 40 mile per hour winds along this line of rain as it comes through. So this is midday through 3 p.m., and then that is done. Just some random showers through that evening commute. That was 3 p.m. This is 6 o'clock Wednesday, and then we're drying out by the time we head into Wednesday night, so about 48 hours from right now. Then our temperatures will fall from mid-60s Wednesday to low 50s Thursday. The Arctic front starts to push through on our Friday, and with that, you're going to see temperatures drop later Friday afternoon into Friday evening, and highs only in the upper 30s both days this weekend. That means it's going to be very cold starting out both days this weekend. These are lows on Saturday morning, mid-20s to upper 20s across the board, and then by Sunday morning, teens and 20s starting out. This is that Arctic air mass I've been talking about for almost 2 weeks now that's going to be moving into the area, but then moderating and moving out by the time we get to Christmas Day itself. But before we get to there, we've got to talk about the ball game. 8 o'clock kickoff right here on WATE. I think Friday, if you're traveling up, watch for some scattered snow showers, but then drier for the game. Just cold. 26 at kickoff. By the time we get to the end of the game, low 20s and teens is what it's going to feel like. There's the cold air here in East Tennessee this weekend. As I mentioned, 20s in the morning, 30s in the afternoon, mid-40s by Monday, and then we're leveling off in the low 50s is the way it's looking by the time we get to Christmas Day.